Okay, so I did this texture here kind of to imitate what I have going on in the Batik from the Stardust collection. And you've kind of got this clamshell, right? And if I got stuck in a certain area, you'll notice that there's maybe 2 here loops and then I went to 3, 2 loops and then 3. It allows me to travel across. I went to about here and then I stopped and then started again here. So I still had the kind of movement up to the top. Now I noticed something, a dilemma here. What do I do with this right here? Do I incorporate these 2 right here in the background? And I'm thinking I want to, because when I piece it, obviously this is part of the strip piece block here and here, but for the Pillow Sham, I think I should discontinue that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to continue this kind of texture through here, and maybe not here because it's defined by this shelf. Okay, so on this one, I'm going to continue that kind of clamshell. Okay, you can see in the background, I like what happened here in the background. I gotta cut my threads, but I like how this incorporates right here. Notice I used a very pale, almost gray-green thread on here. I like it because it takes that blue tone from here and puts it into the background. And also, I don't wanna sit and change threads for every different color. To me, it's not worth that. I wanna incorporate it all in one as the background. So in here, I'm thinking I want more geometric, right? This is kind of the kind of an Art Deco kind of style with this centerpiece and then almost like a bookends here. I'll probably do whatever motif I do here, I'll probably do in the borders because I want it consistent. But I'm still not sure how I'm going to dress down here, but let's get started right here. Okay, so after doing a geometric in here, I don't mind the geometric here, but I don't think I want it in this right here. So I'm gonna do like a feather kind of motif in here and incorporate this part of the block into the border. And I'll show you what I mean on that.